All right, June 20th, 2025. These are our old raised beds that we used for annuals. But now that we've got the new veggie garden behind the barn, I turned these into an herb garden. So I planted all kinds of stuff, multiples of each of the classic herbs. You know, Greek oregano, Italian oregano, some thyme, some marjoram, Italian sage, tarragon, some rosemary. In this bed, a different kind of rosemary. I think the first one was called barbecue rosemary, and this one is a Tuscan blue rosemary. And here I've got a French oregano, a lemon thyme, and these are over here more thyme and sage, and a little bit of lavender, and another classic rosemary, common rosemary. So these are the herbes de Provence. And in the pots, I've got tricolor basil, a couple parsley, curly parsley, flat leaf parsley, bronze fennel, and a Florence fennel, two different types of dill, something called chevreau. This is a kind of a French, classic French herb. From here in these pots, I've got mint. So that's mint I transplanted from the food forest. I made a mistake and put mint in the food forest and it got everywhere. So I transplanted a couple sprigs of it over here and it just takes off. Here's a chocolate mint. It's a little guy, but I got a spearmint and a peppermint, and then a couple chives and a couple pots over there that I'll fill in with some other stuff. But this is the culinary herb garden right behind the deck off to the kitchen. So we'll be able to come out here and clip herbs. So a nice way to kind of reuse these veggie beds for another few more years.